expressway on the way with my passenger princesses. First stop over here at Lakeshore McDonald's. Paano pag nabuksan ko si Joe?
Ha?
Pilit ng Starbucks. We made it here sa San Juan La Union. After ilang oras? 7 hours. Kalonga, di ba? Tapos ako lang mag-isa. Wala ka nagyebong. Ouch.
Give up forever to touch you.
Sa ilaw ng mga bituin, mag-isa pa.
Okay ka na, Pao? Day 2 here in La Union. Igagala namin yung turista naming friend. First time sa LU, sa Baluarte. We're having lunch! Dito sa Lola Mendes. Yummy or not? Bakit
Not.
nagili? Yes, we're here at the beach. Ganda na ang aking necklace. Beanie inspired. Sitting here in front, dito sa harap ng Fat Whale while watching the sunset. And my friends na nag-swimming. Yeah, later, pupunta na din ako doon para swimming. Yay! Gosh, we're gonna swim na. We're done swimming. We're at Hagsan. We're having dinner. Goodbye, LU. See you soon. We're going back to reality, huh? Haha.